PermaBASE Cement Board is a rigid substrate made of Portland cement, aggregate, and glass mesh that provides an exceptionally hard, durable surface that is able to withstand prolonged exposure to moisture. The following installation video demonstrates how to correctly install PermaBASE Cement Board as a tile backer for a kitchen backsplash. Use construction documents to determine the proper layout of the PermaBASE backsplash. Cut PermaBASE to the proper size using a utility knife. Position the board against the framing. Install PermaBASE using 1 1/4 inch long cement board screws spaced at 8 inches on center. Drive the screws flush with the surface of the PermaBASE and do not over-tighten the screws. Install remaining PermaBASE boards using this procedure. Install the gypsum board for the remainder of the wall. Apply a 4-inch wide, approximately 1/16 inch thick coat of modified thin-set mortar over the entire joint. Immediately embed 2-inch wide alkali-resistant fiberglass mesh tape fully into the applied bonding material and allow it to cure. Apply a layer of modified thin-set mortar over the fastener heads. After kitchen installation, install tile using approved modified thin-set mortar and grout. For complete installation instructions, visit PermaBASE.com. Utilize PermaBASE Cement Board on your next project and see how it can make your tile installation go faster and easier.